Good morning, all of you. Manisha, is my voice audible?
Yes, it's audible, Gopika.
Okay. सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते करधृतवीणा पुस्तक वरमणिमालालङ्कृत करधृतवीणा पुस्तक वरमणिमालालङ्कृत सरि म पद प म पद स पद स नि द प म रि स नि द सरि म पद सरि म रि स नि द प म रि स रि स स नि सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमञ्जुल कम्बुगले नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमञ्जुल कम्बुगले सुरसेवित पदयुगले सुधाकार समरवदे सरि म पद प म पद स पद स नि द प म रि स नि द सरि म पद सरि म रि स नि द प म रि स रि स स नि सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोऽस्तुते Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gopika. It was very peaceful to listen. Now I request Anusha from MSc Computer Science second year to give a speech on National Science Day.
Thank you, Manisha. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Anusha from MSc Computer Science final year. India has a great heritage of science and technology in the ancient era. Many scientists, mathematics, astronomers, and medical experts like Aryabhatta, Kannada, Brahmaputra, Bhaskaracharya, Nagarjuna, Shastra, and much more have contributed their work to progression of the science and technology in India. In the 21st century, India is rapidly progressing to reach the peaks of science and technology skill in the world. Many Indian scientists have gathered global recognition by their work, and the Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman is one of them. Sir C.V. Raman invented the Raman effect, which studied the scattering of light in liquid, solid, and gaseous. For this tremendous invention, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. To celebrate this success, the Government of India decided to celebrate the day on 28th February as National Science Day from 1999. So, the first National Science Day of India was celebrated on 28th February 1999. Thank you.
Thank you, Anisha. It was very nice. Now I request our principal ma'am to guide us with their wisdom.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
I
ma'am.
congratulate all the students for their active participation in National Science Day celebrations. I congratulate Mohana and her team for conducting different events on occasion of National Science Day. The theme of National Science Day 2021 is Future of STA Impacts on Education Skills and Work. Due to pandemic, we are celebrating these events online mode. As students and teachers, it is our responsibility to honor the great man C.V. Raman and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through innovation. There are some expectations by the college from the computer science students, especially PG students of computer science. You have to develop different apps. You have to do real-time projects. You can do something to the college. For example, development of e-handbooks with QR code. Development of lab manuals. Lab manuals are developed by different departments. You have to develop with the QR code. Like that, handbooks, manuals, textbooks. So you are PG students. We have some expectations on you. Please come forward and do the needful, contribute to something to the college. That is my appeal to students. Okay. As students and teachers, it is our responsibility. I already told you. So we have to do something in the field of science through innovation. I wish all the best to enhance their scientific energy. I congratulate all the prize winners. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for wonderful words and guiding us into the world of technology and science. Now I request academic coordinator cum vice principal madam to guide us with their wisdom.
Madam didn't join, it seems, Manisha.
Good evening, students.
Yeah. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, principal ma'am. Good evening, Srilata.
evening.
Good evening, all the faculty members. It is a matter of immense joy that our Department of Computer Science, RBVRR Women's College, is conducting the National Science Day. I came to know that a lot of students from other colleges also participated in these events. I'm sure our students also would go to other colleges, participate like this, and bring laurels to our college. All the best, girls. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for guiding us. Now I request our IQAC coordinator madam to guide us with their wisdom.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Principal Ma'am. And first of all, I congratulate the organizers of this celebration of National Science Day. And here, the occasion of National Science Day reminds us all that we must explore the world of science to enlighten ourselves with new knowledge. And here, I appreciate all of you and also once again congratulate all the participants and organizers. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request our HOD madam to guide us with their wisdom.
Manisha, Mohna ma'am didn't join because of some other closing ceremony, it seems.
Okay, ma'am.
You can just continue with next.
Okay, ma'am. Now I would like to call Maryam to give the report on our National Science Day events.
Thank you, Nisha. Good evening, respected ma'am and my dear friends. Here's the report on National Science Day. 65 participants from various colleges of Hyderabad and Secunderabad have registered for the National Science Day competitions organized by the students of computer science. We have conducted 5 competitions, namely the e-poster competition, e-quiz, paper presentation, short video presentation, and code hackathon. The participants have showcased their talents and have given their best in all the activities. Thank you.
Thank you, Miriam. Now I request Principal Ma'am to announce the winners of the events.
Thank you. I congratulate all the participants and prize winners. For paper presentation on state-of-the-art algorithm for brand classification, Ms. Garima Gupta of MBA Business Analytics from University of Hyderabad is winner. Give a big hand to Garima Gupta. Come on, girls.
Give a big round of applause, girls.
For the short videos competition, Ifat Fatima of MSc Computer Science first year of RBVRR Women's College won the prize. The topic for the video is storyboard on network security.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Ifat Fatima.
The third event is Code Hackathon. Topic is code cracking. Nikita Mati of MPCS final year from Kasturba Gandhi College for Women won the prize. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nikita.
For the competition, e-poster presentation, the topic is Innovate to Inspire 21st Century Inventions. The prize goes to Ayesha Siddiqui, BSc Life Sciences from St. Anne's College, Medipatnam. Congratulations, Ayesha.
Congratulations, Ayesha Siddiqui.
For the quiz competition, again, Garima Gupta of University Hyderabad bagged the prize. Double congratulations to Garima Gupta.
Congratulations.
Can you show your face, all of you? Garima Gupta, Ifat Fatima, I want to see your face. Nikita, Ayesha.
Could you please on your videos, huh?
On your videos? Your videos?
Yeah, Garima.
Okay, Garima. Congratulations, Garima. Ifat. Congratulations.
You are on mute. Ifat and Garima, you are on mute.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Where is Nikita? Where is Nikita?
Switch on your video.
Nikita? Nikita, have you? I hope Nikita is not there, it seems, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Where is Ayesha?
Aisha Siddiq.
Okay, no problem.
Didn't join, ma'am.
She's there, ma'am. Aisha Siddiqui is
Aisha?
there. Aisha, switch on your video.
Aisha? Can you just unmute yourself and talk something?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Aisha, can you on your video?
Ma'am, I don't want to. Is it okay if I don't?
Okay, but speak few words.
Yes, thank you so much. And I really enjoyed all the competitions that were held by RBVRR College, and I participated in 3. And I'm thankful that at least I won one and I got to know a lot because though this wasn't my subject, like I'm from BSc Life Sciences, but I got to know a lot about computer sciences and all. So I had really like a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
She's actually from life sciences, ma'am, but she has excellent actually. She's
Yeah,
excellent
yeah.
in computer science domain.
I know.
Garima, can you speak few words?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm very thankful to one of my friend, which is there in MSc Data Science, that is Rashmi. Because from her, I got this information that there is a competition over here. And I'm very thankful for the college to give me the opportunity to be part of it. It's really a wonderful experience for me to explore myself after a one whole year to participate in these events. And thank you the whole committee who is there, like who is helping throughout my whole journey. I didn't like got so like I'm very messed up with so many links and things, but they helped me throughout. So thank you all who all participated my like helped me in my all participation way. Thank you so much.
Once again, I congratulate all the winners of the participants. Thank you, Principal Ma'am.
Bhuvna ma'am has come. Manisha, you can ask ma'am to speak few words.
Good evening, ma'am. I request our HOD ma'am to guide us with their wisdom.
Good afternoon. I have to really appreciate the efforts taken by the entire staff and also the students who have participated. Winning is not the criteria, but participation was very much needed. And this is the age where you need to explore into new things. I'm really very, very happy for being part of this, the entire process. This will definitely help you in your future endeavors. I'm so sorry I could not join beforehand because I'm in middle of a handball tournament which is being conducted for last 3 days, and we are in the closing ceremony. So that is the reason I could not join. And you can just hear there is so much of noise and chaos. But I really appreciate the efforts of the students as well as the staff in order to make this event a very grand success. And thank you so much for inviting me and then giving me an opportunity to speak a few words. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, Manisha,
Shall we wind up? Shall we go for the vote of thanks at end of the session?
Yes.
Yeah. We celebrate National Science Day to appreciate the efforts individuals and organizations who are working to make India reach the peaks of science and technology and make the lives of people better with the help of science and technology. Today, on this great day of National Science Day, let's pledge that we will do our bit to make the science and technology better every coming day, and we will use the technology to make the life of people simpler. On this note, I would like to thank our faculty for giving me the opportunity to host the National Science Day event, and Principal Ma'am and HOD Ma'am and all the madams who have joined and participants who made this event a success. Now I request P. Shravanti from MSc Computer Science second year to present the vote of thanks. Thank you.
A very good evening, respected Principal Dr. J. Achyuta Devi Madam, Vice Principal Dr. Kavita Madam, Head of the Department T. Vamshi Mohana Ma'am, and all the beloved madams. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I thank our Principal Dr. J. Achyuta Devi Ma'am for encouraging to organize this event. I thank Vice Principal Dr. Kavita Madam for supporting us in conducting the event. I thank Ms. T. Vamshi Mohana Madam, Head Department of Computer Science, for guiding us to conduct the National Science Day event. I thank all the beloved madams for being as judges and directing us. And my special thanks for all the participants of this event. And I would also like to thank the coordinators for making this event smooth and successful. To the outline, I would like to thank each and everyone who is a part and parcel of this event. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Principal ma'am, thank you so much. Kavita ma'am, Anupama ma'am, and Mohana ma'am, thank you so much. You really made our day, actually.
Welcome, Srilata.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Kavita Ma'am, Anupama Ma'am. At the last moment, I've invited Anupama Madam. So sorry.